A 2016 F-150 Crew 4x XLT. You can see it's got the FX4 package on it. It's under 42,000 kilometers. We have a tailgate step. We have reverse sensing. We have a rear view camera. Remote entry, remote start. Dual panel moonroof. Navigation. Heated front seats. Everything you could want. This is a really nice truck. You'll find it at Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.